at ligaya, hirap at mahalaw. Ikaw lang ngayon at makailanman. I love you, Mama.
Today, I thank God that we are surrounded by all of our loved ones as we begin our new chapter. Zir, I won't promise that I won't hate you, because sometimes you are giving me cerebral discomfort for being stubborn. Darating din sa atin ang mga pagsubok at hindi natin pagkakaunawaan. Pero pinapangako ko sa iyo at sa Diyos na pipiliin kita sa araw-araw. I will support, respect, and work with you to achieve our goals for the future. Gusto ko kasama kita hanggang sa dumating ang ating Panginoon at sabay tayo na magpuri sa Kanya. Zir, Daddy, I will love you and cherish you from the bottom of my heavy tones.
Salamat.
Meron bang tanda ng pagmamahalan ni Zir at